Dress to impress. Mastering the art of accessorizing for every occasion. Welcome back, fashion enthusiasts. In this segment, we're unraveling the art of accessorizing, specifically focusing on the delicate dance of choosing accessories for that perfect dress. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just elevating your everyday style, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to make your ensemble truly stand out. Now, let's talk about color coordination. One of the golden rules in accessorizing is to complement the color of your dress. If you're wearing a vibrant dress, consider neutral accessories to balance the look. Conversely, a monochromatic ensemble allows for a pop of color with bold accessories. It's all about achieving that harmonious balance. Shoes, the unsung heroes of any outfit. When selecting shoes to pair with your dress, consider the overall vibe you want to achieve. Strappy heels for a touch of elegance, ankle boots for an edgy look, or flats for a more casual feel. The key is to ensure they complement the style and color of your dress. Now, the magic of belts. Adding a belt to your dress can completely transform the silhouette. A slim belt can accentuate your waist, while a wider one can add drama to a flowy dress. Experiment with colors and textures to find the perfect match. Handbags are another crucial accessory, and their size should be proportional to the occasion. A clutch or a small crossbody bag can add a touch of sophistication to a formal event, while a larger tote or hobo bag suits a more casual setting. Again, coordinate the color and style with your dress. Selecting the perfect hat for your dress requires a delicate balance of style, occasion, and personal taste. Align the hat with the overall vibe of your dress, be it casual or elegant, to strike the right chord. A wide-brimmed hat exudes sophistication for formal attire, while a chic fedora or floppy hat complements a playful sundress with a bohemian touch. Proportions matter, so ensure the hat harmonizes with the dress silhouette for a cohesive look. Choosing glasses to match your dress involves blending style and harmony. Consider your dress's neckline and aesthetic. Delicate frames enhance femininity, while bolder ones add modernity. Coordinate colors for a cohesive look, aiming for visual balance through matching or contrasting shades. Glasses are an extension of personal style, so experiment with shapes and styles to enhance your vision and add sophistication to your overall look. As we conclude this accessorizing journey, remember that less is often more. While it's tempting to pile on accessories, a well-curated selection can make a more significant impact. Choose pieces that enhance, not overpower, the beauty of your dress. And there you have it, a crash course on how to choose accessories for your dress. Whether you're a fashion maven or just getting started, these tips will help you master the art of putting together a show-stopping ensemble. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fashion insights, and share your go-to dress accessorizing tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish.